Okay, I am straightening this piece of tile for my shower curb. This edge is anything but straight. And this angle cut, that's at an angle. This was cut at an angle. Here it's now straight, but to show you how I did this, okay, I line this edge up so that it's straight in line with that, okay, and then that gives me this wedge shaped opening here that counters how unstraight this edge here is, okay. Then what I do is I take my speed square and I slide it to this edge, okay, and I push into my tile with my speed square, as well as down to the fence. Then over here, I hold this down and I pull back, or I just pull back to the fence, so it's locked in place. And then when I turn on the tile, you'll see, when I turn on the tile saw, you'll see that there is, my speed square never touches the blade. It looks like it, but it's right there. The only thing being cut is the tile. You see that space there, and I'll point it out just in case you're not seeing it. Right here, this much of the tile is being cut off, that space all the way back, and that should be straight when I'm done. Then once I have this edge is straight, I'll be able to create a 90 and then bring it this way, and again bring this back using this gap here where the blade travels. Okay, bring it just back to the other side of this space where the blade travels. Okay, or just bring it just back over it just a little bit. Okay, so it's completely covered. And then you hold this down, you pull back to the fence with your finger, you're pulling back and down at the same time. I'm locking my thumb over here so I can pull against it, making sure my thumb's not here so you won't get gnawed or chewed by the blade. It will abrase you. It will create an abrasion. It's not as serious or dangerous as a chop saw or anything, but you don't want this blade to do that. Okay, so then I know I'm going to cut all the way through, and my end product should be straight. And you can see here, let's see if I can't get it. There you go. You can see that hump in it right there, and it runs at a slight angle. Right there, you can see it plain as day. And that's why you want to make this edge straight first, so you can create a 90 and get a nice 90. All right, now I'm going to cut this because I can't hold this and video and cut it. Okay, I've just cut this, and we'll look down this here. It's got a slight bow, which I can use on the bottom side. That will never show. As long as it's on the bottom, you can see it there. I could cut it a little bit more and make up for it and get that straightened out. But next, I will, you can see that here. That is nice and straight, so that works. So this will go to the bottom. I can put an arrow here. None of these, this is an oil pencil. I thought it was going to write on damp or wet tile. It didn't want to write. It's just not wanting to write on this wet tile. I was hoping it was. There we go. It's dry enough. It's slightly damp. So I know that's the bottom. It goes down. Okay, I could even, guess I could just, for teaching purposes, put a B here for bottom. Okay, So there you have it. It's sloppier than sloppy. But all you need is an arrow. Unless you use arrows for up, then you would definitely want to put a B here or something that you mark and you know personally that it is the bottom. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this little tip, this video. I hope it's helpful. Comment. If you're just channel surfing, subscribe. Check out my channel. I've got multiple different videos of different things, plumbing and food challenges and just different things. So check it out, subscribe, appreciate it. Thank you, all those that have subscribed, or for the few of you that have subscribed. Thank you. All right, bye for now. Keep looking up. Never give up.